If you're thinking about getting Hostinger for your website, don't complete your order yet because there's an easy way to unlock an even bigger discount. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 85% off on selected hosting plans. But when you use the special link in the description, you can also receive an extra 20% discount automatically applied during checkout. And the process is extremely simple. You don't need to remember a coupon code, copy anything, or search online for working promotions. Just click the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen, select the hosting plan you want, and continue to check out. When you first land on the Hostinger pricing page, you'll see their regular promotional prices. Your extra 20% discount may not appear immediately because it's automatically calculated during the checkout process. So continue to check out and check the final total before making your payment. And if Hostinger is displaying prices in the wrong currency, simply click the flag icon at the top of the page, select your country, and the pricing will update to your local currency. Now, which hosting plan should you actually choose? For someone creating their first website, personal blog, portfolio, or small business website, I'd recommend starting with the premium plan. It provides a great combination of features and affordability. You can get hosting for multiple websites, SSL for security, professional email, one-click WordPress installation, access to Hostinger's website builder, AI-powered website tools, and a free domain on eligible plans. For most beginners, Premium should provide everything needed to get started. But if you're building an e-commerce store, managing multiple important websites, or simply want more performance, take a look at the business plan. It gives you additional resources along with features like daily backups and a free CDN. Daily backups can be extremely useful. Your website is backed up regularly, so if you accidentally change or delete something important, you'll have a much easier way to recover your site. The CDN can also improve the experience for international visitors by delivering your website's content from locations closer to them. Now, if you're expecting your website to grow significantly, or you're building a more demanding business project, you can consider the Cloud Startup Plan. This option gives you more performance and resources, along with features such as priority support and a dedicated IP. So instead of automatically choosing the most expensive option, think about what you're actually building. Premium is a strong starting point for regular websites. Business makes more sense for e-commerce and growing projects. And Cloud Startup is designed for websites that need additional performance and resources. Another reason Hostinger is popular with beginners is its H-Panel control panel. Instead of dealing with an overly complicated hosting dashboard, you can manage your websites, domains, emails, WordPress installation, backups, and other important settings from one place. Hostinger also includes AI-powered tools that can make creating a website much faster. For example, if you don't want to build every page manually, the AI website builder can help generate a website based on information about your project. That's especially useful if this is your first time creating a website. Now let's talk about getting the most value from your purchase. If you already know you're going to keep your website online long-term, compare the available billing periods carefully. The longer-term options, including the 48-month plan when available, can provide a much lower effective monthly price compared with shorter commitments. Just make sure you check the full amount and renewal pricing displayed at checkout so you know exactly what you're purchasing. And if you're still unsure about committing to Hostinger, there's also a 30-day money-back guarantee, subject to Hostinger's refund terms. That gives you time to set up your hosting, explore the dashboard, and decide whether the service is right for your website.